Hi Year 9, this is just a short guide to choosing your options and the choice of statistics. So the first thing to say is statistics is actually classed as a science. So it's the science of dealing with data. So a lot of what comes from statistics is the data that's used to come up with decisions that may affect our everyday life. The world is full of data. There's many opportunities and examples of where data is used in real life. So a few of them: weather forecasting. So weather forecasters and the Met Office use this data from past weather events, what's happened previously, weather patterns, to be able to predict what the weather would be like in the future. Stock markets. On stock markets, traders and businesses use information to be able to make decisions about whether it's a good time to invest. Formula One. In Formula One, data is used every single second of every single race to ensure that the car is performing as best it can. And obviously football and sport, so charting positions of football clubs. And in addition, there are many different examples in sport where data is used to increase and improve performance. There are so many opportunities in real life, in the media, on the TV, on social media, for the use of statistics with headlines. Important thing with statistics is, do you know what they all mean? Do you trust everything that everybody says? What's the argument that someone's putting across using some numbers? They're the types of conversations you'll have in statistics. So using information and numbers to come up with decisions and inform the general population in the easiest way possible. So statistics enables you to look at all the headlines and figures we use on a daily basis and not just take them at face value. So 3 things that statistics will help you to do is to analyse them and think, what does it actually mean? Is it true? And how have they got to this? So why would you study statistics? Well, it's about making decisions where there's uncertainty. One of the most versatile areas of maths, and it will give you the opportunity to collect, analyse, interpret and present your data. So this is not just about numbers. It will complement subjects, for example, biology, psychology, geography, business and economics. All of those involve some of the skills that you will be introduced to in statistics, and will open the doors for lots of different courses and careers, for example, weather forecasting to biological sciences. So one of the questions that's asked quite a lot is, do you need to be good at maths? Well, yes, there is a lot of overlap. So there's a lot of topics that you will do in your maths GCSE that you will also cover in statistics. But in statistics, you will go into deeper depth. Some of the maths skills needed in your statistics course are not part of GCSE maths. For example, standard deviation and Spearman's rank correlation, which are an actual extension to what you've done in your work lower down the school on averages. In addition, there is also a lot of written communication. So a fairly hefty amount of the marks will come from your written communication. So statistics will have a large proportion of being able to do math skills. However, a lot of it is choosing the right language and being able to explain patterns, trends and outcomes, and therefore conclusions from that data. What will you learn? Well, you'll learn the basic terms and rules of statistics and probability, uses of diagrams and their significance and choosing the correct one, being able to construct and interpret these diagrams, for example, line, pie charts and histograms, applying statistical diagrams and principles in day-to-day activities. So applying these diagrams and putting them in context of everyday life. So what pathways have you got after leaving school with statistics? So you can progress onto AS and A-level maths, and in addition further maths. There's a significant proportion of the A-level maths course that has got statistics elements in it, and therefore you'll be at an advantage if you do statistics at GCSE. In addition, level 3 qualifications such as biology, economics, geography, psychology and sociology, particularly social sciences, have got a high element of data, and there's quite a lot of data work that needs to be done in order to drive a decision. And in addition, vocational qualifications, for example, BTECs in business. In addition, training and employment where methods involving numbers, i.e. quantitative, are used. There are lots of opportunities using statistics for jobs in the future. So statistics is seen as a really in-demand occupation, and if you've got statistics as a background, then you're likely to be able to get into a job very easily. Not only have you got all the jobs that are on the screen, but also every company will have somewhere in their business someone that deals with statistics. So an example may be a supermarket who monitors the sales of certain products, how well new products do, decide which products to stock, decide what people buy, the age groups that buy them, etc., etc. Generally, those people who've got statistics qualifications and go into those types of jobs will have above average wages. If you want any more information about GCSE statistics, please either come and see myself or one of your maths teachers, or Miss Lewis, who's the head of maths. Bye for now.